Welcome, my dear friend, to this reverse syllogism. So this is also a new type of question that have been appearing in the recent examination. So what is reverse? So reverse is what we'll try to understand. Reverse is first conclusion will come, and then we have to see whether all these conclusions will be true when these statements are considered. Which statements, which set of statements can make all these conclusions true? This is what is a reverse syllogism. Now we are not finding the statement, finding the conclusions that can be followed from the statements. We are given the conclusions first, and then we have to see which statements can make these conclusions true. Getting my point? We have to first understand the conclusions and see whether the statements, the set of statements, there will be 5 statements which we are going to see. The first statement is only with in front of you. I am going to show you all other statements. Okay, CCRs, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 5 set of statements will come. I am going to show you all of them, and then we are going to solve. How do we solve? Okay, whenever reverse syllogism comes, what I prefer to do is I will first see the first conclusion. It has to be true. Then only that statement we are going to use. Otherwise, we are not going to use. Correct? So in this, what I am going to do, because of the space constraint, I have put all the statements here. First, what I will do is I will see whether the first statement will be true. If it is true, then I am going to write here which follows. So these are the I can say that these are the statements which we can consider. Okay, and others we are going to eliminate. This can be solved with elimination method alone, and if you try to put all the statements diagrams, it will take a lot of time. So elimination is the only method which can help you in solving these questions properly. So first we will see the conclusion, and then first conclusion. If it is true only, we will go ahead in that statement. Otherwise, we will not go ahead. Is it clear? Okay. So first statements, first set of statements. This is first 1, 2, 3 statements are there. Some cats are dogs. So I am going to find out where is cats, and I am going to find out where is dogs. Okay. Then I am going to take only these 2 statements. Getting my point? Are you getting my point? So I am going to take where is cat here, because we are going in the reverse direction. No, so what we have to find out, the first the elements that are there in the conclusions. This will be very useful in inequality. Inequality we always solve from conclusions to statements only. Okay, so you will understand this method very well. Then it will be helpful to your inequality as well. So what we are going to do, cats and dogs. So first we will find cats and dogs here, and there are again dogs that we will see later. We will first see whether this can be happened. So some dogs are rats. So I am going to draw here. This is the first statement. Some dogs are rats. Some rats are cats. Some rats are cats. You see here that 100% this cannot follow. So 100% this cannot follow. So first statement set is not possible. If it cannot follow here, we cannot, because this is a standard statement. Standard statement, what we know, it has to follow in 100% of the cases. Because it is not following in the first basic statement itself, so it doesn't follow. So 100% it doesn't follow. So first one is gone. First one is gone. So we are not going to look at it. Next statement. So statement is gone from here. So I am going to write here statements. Okay. All again we are going to find what? Cats and dogs. We are going to find. So these 2 statements we are going to. Some rats are cats. So second here, some rats are cats, and then no dog is a rat. No dog is a rat. I am going to write this side so that it will be no dog is a rat. Now again because this standard statement 100%, this is not possible in this case, so it is not possible in this case as well. So second is also rejected. Second is also rejected. Possibility case we are not going to see here. understand. The possibility, it is a standard statement, AEIO type. So this is I type. So we are not going to touch it. We are not going to see the possibility. We are going to only 100% follow. So it doesn't follow here. Let us now see the third option. Third option is this. All birds are rats. Third one. So before we go to third, let us see what we need to see. What is that? Cats and dogs. Okay. So no dog is cat. Now here is the dog and here is the cat, and therefore no dog is cat will not be possible. Why? Because if no dog is cat, then some cats are dogs. This question never arises. This question will never arise. Okay, so therefore this option is also not possible. Next, let us see. Next is what? Fourth one. Fourth one, again you can see here, this also, no cat is dog. No cat is dog. Is it the same one or is it different? Third, all birds are rats and some birds are rats. So both are different, but the third statement is no dog is cat. Therefore, this is also not possible. This is also not possible. So third and fourth are not possible. Then it should be the fifth one. Okay. So let us go to the fifth one. See, fifth one has to be the correct answer. Fifth one has to be the correct answer. There is no other go. Okay, because 4 gone means fifth you can directly, in this case you can directly put it. Let us see here, but we will still try to understand. Some dogs are cats. So some dogs are cats itself proves that this statement is true. Some cats are dogs. So if some dogs are cats, then some cats have to be dogs, because this is not negative. Only few is not there. Some not is not there. So this is true. Some rats are dogs. So I am going to put here some rats are dogs and some birds are rats. So I am going to like this. You are now expert people, so you will not bother if I draw it like this. So some birds are rats. Now we will see whether we can do it everything. At least some rats are birds. So at least some rats are birds is true here. At least some. So you can remove this. At least. So some rats are birds. Some rats are birds. They are given. Some birds are rats. So some birds are. All rats being cats is a possibility. All rats being cats. So I should not have written G. It is C here. Cats. Sorry for that. Okay. So all rats being cats. All rats being cats is a possibility. I can put anyways. So this R I can put here. Can you understand? You should be able to understand by now. We have discussed a lot. I need not have to change the color and show you that this rat can come here. Possibility case. Okay. And then still we will be able to put the bird here. Are you getting my point? So these are the possibility case I have drawn with the red one. So still you can see all rats being cats is a possibility. All the three are okay. Okay, I did not use this one because the first statement was strong in all of the 4 statements. It will take a little bit of time, so you have to be ready for that. Okay. Now next question. Some heroes are zeros. So I will start zeros and heroes. Some zeros are heroes. So you can see here, this is again standard statement and it will be true here. It will be true because some heroes are zeros. So once it is true, I am going to see all others. So first is possible, so I am going to put here. These are the potential answers. If you can see or not, you can just understand these are potential answers. One of them has to be true. Okay, so what I am going to do, if it is true, then I am going to draw it. Some zeros are here, heroes, some heroes are zeros. So this will be true. So some jokers are top, some jokers are top, some top are zero, some top are zero, some zeros are heroes, and all top are bottom. All top or bottom I am going to draw like this. All top or bottom I am going to draw like this. Now we'll see, at least some top are, so forget at least some top or joker. Some top or joker is there. All top being hero is a possibility. All top being hero is a possibility. No problem at all. There is nothing that can stop us to bring the hero inside top. All top being hero is a possibility. All top being hero. So top can go anyways here. No problem at all. There is no negative statement here. So top can go inside hero and nobody can stop it. Okay. So still you want to prove it. I'll just prove it with a different color and different design here. Okay. Now what I'll do? Possibility is there. So these two were standard statements. So not the possible statements. So only this one. All top being hero. Only first one. I'm not going to go anywhere else. All top being hero. Now I'll go with the statements. Some jokers are tops, so I can put some jokers are tops. Some top are 0, some top are 0. I will be able to. Some zeros are heroes, so some zeros are heroes has happened here itself. All top or bottom, all top or bottom also I can put here. So everything is possible. So this is also done here. So in the previous one we went up to the fourth one, and in this we got in the first itself. So no need to see any other statements. If you want, you can put it. You can just note down these, or you can take screenshots. You can take the screenshots here. You can take the fifth one. Okay. So anything is missed. Second one I showed, third one I showed, fourth one I showed, fifth one I showed. Okay, fine. So let us go to the next question now. Again, same things. First statement will start with some jugs are frogs. So conclusion is some jugs are frogs. So we'll see some frogs are jugs. So this happens. So first one is okay. We got the first one will happen. So I'm going to draw this. Otherwise, I'm not going to draw. Okay, some cakes are cocks. Some cakes are cocks. Some cocks are frogs. Some frogs are jugs. Okay, so this is because this gave me this thing hint that some frogs are jugs, so some jugs are frogs. At least some. So again, at least we'll remove some cocks are cakes. Some cocks are cakes is fine. All cocks being jugs is a possibility. All cocks being jugs is a possibility. All cocks being jugs is a possibility. So this is also no problem. Now you might be thinking that this is also same like the previous one. What is there? So maybe another statement can also be true. So I am going to show you another statement. So this is again these are statements here. Where is this pen? Okay. So these are statement here below. I am going to show you how some cakes are frogs. Some cakes are frogs. Some frogs are cocks. Some frogs are cocks. Some cocks are jugs. Some frogs are jugs. So some jugs are frogs. Some jugs are frogs. See here, it's not possible here. Are you getting it? Some frogs are jugs. It cannot happen because this is a standard statement. You can say, yes, sir, it is possible. No. Standard means 100% cases it should be true. Okay. It should follow. But it is not following in this case. This is also a possibility case. It is not following. The second one is gone. You can check the third one, fourth one like this only. I'll show you. You can understand that it is not possible. Third one, it's in front of you. If you want, you can see whether you can do it. This is a different statement. So this is you can take it below. Okay, this is a different statement. Here is a para. So all cakes are cocks. Some cocks are jugs. No frog is cock. Okay. You want it to be done by me? I'll do it, no problem at all. All cakes are cocks. Some cocks are jugs. Some cocks are jugs. No frog is cock. No frog is cock. Okay. No frog is cock. Now, some jugs are frogs. Some jugs are frogs is not possible here. It's not there. It's not there. So it is 100%. It does not follow. Gone case. At least some cocks are cakes. At least some cocks are cakes is fine. All cocks being jugs is a possibility. All cocks being jugs is a possibility. But the first one itself doesn't follow here. Okay. So one doesn't follow. It doesn't means the statements are not true. So we are not going to say that this is the right answer. Only one will be done. Okay. Then one more thing you need to understand. I do not know. These kind of questions have not come. If at all in next, if they want to make it difficult, what they can make it is they can give option that only one follows, or 1 and 2 follows, or 1 and 3 follows. Both are required. Either or. If they make like that, that will be very difficult type of question, because everything you have to see, it will be very time consuming. Okay, that kind of question has not yet come. If at all that kind of question comes, no need to worry. You have to just do this thing 1 2 3 4 5 and find out which all will follow, and then you have to mark whether 1 and 3 are right or are required, or 1 and 2 are required, 2 and 4 are required, 4 and 5 are required, or 1 2 3 4 are required, or any of them is required. All those things will happen. Okay, that is again like data sufficiency. We are not doing data sufficiency anyways here. So fifth one you can check out. Fourth one was there, right? So fourth one was here, and fifth one I have given you, and then you can check. And then I'm going to do the this question. Okay. Some road is house is a possibility. Now some road is a house is a possibility. So let us see. All road is a child. So possibility case normally will not take, because possibility case will put you in trouble. So I am going to some child is not house. This is very interesting. So some child is not house. So we'll go to child and go to house. Okay, child and house. So we'll try to do this. Some not. Some not should means what? Some should be outside. Some child at any cost should be outside house. So let us see here whether we will be able to the first one. All road is child. All road is child. Okay, I started with this. Okay, no problem. I did not have to do this. Anyways, I did it. Some child is toy. Some child is toy. All toy is ring. All toy is ring. So this is road and this is ring. No toy is house. No toy is house is coming. So I am going to put house here, and no toy is house. Let us see. Some child is not house. Some child is not house is true, because this part which is inside toy, okay, is child. So which cannot go into house. So this follows here. This follows here. So let us see one more option here. Conclusion. Some road is house is a possibility. Some road is a house is a possibility. Some road is a house is a possibility is also follows. So this first one itself will give you the answer. Okay, will give you the answer. Therefore, you need not have to go to the next ones, but still we'll go to the next one, so that we'll be 100% sure that what we have solved is correct. Okay, this is a different type of question. Some not is there, and then possibility both cases are there. So I'm going to do it. Oh, where is second one gone? Okay, second one. All road is child. All road is child. Some toy is road. Some toy is road now. Some toy is road. All toy are rings. Okay, this is going this side. So pardon me. You should understand this. No child is house. No child is house. So some child is not house is true here. Some child is. Some road is house is a possibility. Some road is a house is a possibility. So it's not possible, because the no child is house. No child is house means road cannot go there. Can you understand? Road cannot go there. So this will be in this second case is not possible, because the first one itself is going wrong. Are you getting my point? Go through this again, because no child is house means whatever is inside child cannot go into house. So therefore some road is house is not possible here. Okay. Now third one. Some road is toy. Some road is toy. All child is toy. All child is toy means I have to put the child inside toy. Okay. No toy is ring. No toy is ring. Some house is ring. Some house is ring. So let us see. Some road is house is a possibility. Some road is house is a possible. Oh, no problem. This part and this part can intermingle. Possibility case. Okay, possibility case. Some child is not house. Some child is not house. Some child is not house. Can I say it 100%? No. Some child is not house. Which child is not house? I can put everything here. Say for example, because this has to be true in all cases. This is very interesting. Try to understand. Okay, I can put here. Okay, I am going to draw it once again. Okay, this is house. Okay, inside this I am going to put what? I am going to put a toy, and inside that I am going to put child. Now what will happen? Some child is house, is not house, will not be true. So all child are house here. All child are house. Again I am going to do here. See here. Right, what is this? Ring. Right, ring. So you can see here, some house is ring. Some house is ring. Okay. No toy is ring. No toy is ring. I can put like this. Okay. All child is toy. All child is toy is there. Some road is toy. So I can put again some road is toy. So you can see here, I can make this wrong in this case. So if I can make it one type right, because this is standard, so it has to be true in all possible cases. So this, in this possible case, this is not true. Some child is not house is not true because all child are house here. So therefore this does not follow. Therefore this does not follow. Clear? Clear? You can see, you can do fourth and fifth, and then you can tell me in the group. All child is a road, all road is toy, some house is ring, no house is toy. Okay. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll put all the questions in the PDF that I'm going to put today, and you can do again all those things, and then we can discuss. We can discuss in the WhatsApp group, or we can make, if you want, we can make a one more session on this. But now try to understand. Try to understand that these things can happen. The fourth one I showed you. You just try this one. Okay, and then if you find anywhere that this can also happen, sir, then you can definitely put in the group. I'll clarify that one. Okay, so let us stop here now. We are done. I think we are done a lot of questions. So what is your task today? Your task today is in front of you. Learn 10 new Excel formulae. Formulae. You go to Google and try to understand about formulae, and then it will give you how to find. You write how to find compound interest in Excel, how to find EMI in Excel, how to find average in Excel, how to find ratio in Excel, and it will show you how to find squares in Excel, how to find square roots in Excel. Do this, you will find that you will be able to understand at least. In your Google, it will show you how to do it, where it will font, everything will be available. So use Google for your advantage. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing, because syllogism is going to help you a lot. Okay.